Visit us on onestepenglish.education. Lesson 57. Active and passive voice. Let's learn English. Active voice. It tells what the subject does, or the subject acts upon the object.
Passive voice. It tells what was done to the subject, or the object is acted upon by the subject. Here are
some examples of
active and passive sentences.
Active voice. Betty can sing songs of any genre.
Passive voice. Any genre of songs can be sung by Betty.
Active voice. Betty made a tuna sandwich for Matthew.
Passive voice. A tuna sandwich was made for Matthew by Betty.
Active voice. Matthew read the book The Growing Tummy.
passive voice. The Growing Tummy book was read by Matthew.
Active voice. Matthew cleans the room every afternoon.
Passive voice. Every afternoon the room is cleaned by Matthew. Active voice. Martin made a sandcastle at the beach.
Passive voice. A sandcastle at the beach was made by Martin.
Active voice. Martin wrote an essay about freedom.
Passive voice. The essay about freedom was written by Martin.
Let's apply your knowledge.
Quiz number 1. Ready your pencil and paper. R.
You.
Ready.
Change the following active sentences into passive voice.
Number 1. Nickelodeon broadcast great cartoons.
The answer is, great cartoons were broadcast by Nickelodeon.
Number 2. The girl helped the old woman to go to the other side of the street.
The answer is, the old woman was being helped to go to the other side of the street by the girl.
Number 3. The company requires the engineers to conduct a toolbox meeting before beginning the work.
The answer is, the engineers are required by the company to conduct a toolbox meeting before beginning the work.
Number 4. Leah cheerfully gave all her used toys to the street kids.
The answer is, used toys were cheerfully given to the street kids by Leah.
Number 5. They renovated the restaurant to be more spacious.
The answer is, to be more spacious, the restaurant was renovated by them.
Number 6. John Lennon made a song entitled Imagine in 1988.
The answer is, the song Imagine was made by John Lennon in 1988.
Number 7. Many of my friends is playing online games during break time.
The answer is, online games were played by many of my friends during break time.
Number 8. Many artists attended the Vintage Auction.
The answer is, the Vintage Auction were attended by many artists.
Number 9. She's frightened of rats and cockroaches.
The answer is, she is frightened by the rats and cockroaches.
Number 10. Margaret Wise Brown wrote the children's book Goodnight Moon.
The answer is, the children's book Goodnight Moon was written by Margaret Wise Brown.
Quiz number 2. Ready your pencil and paper. R.
U.
Ready.
Complete the following sentences using active or passive verb forms. Choose your answer from the given options.
Number 1. Grandma. That picture in 1892.
A. Captured. B. Was captured.
The correct answer is letter A. Captured. Grandma captured that picture in 1892. Number 2. Why are you me for all your mishaps?
A. Blaming. B. Was blaming.
The correct answer is letter A. Blaming. Why are you blaming me for all your mishaps? Number 3. The kids. By the school driver.
A. Dropped off. B. Were dropped off.
The correct answer is letter B. Dropped off. The kids were dropped off by the school driver. Number 4. Spicy cuisines. By the Koreans.
A. Were eaten. B. Were ate.
The correct answer is letter A. Were eaten. Spicy cuisines were eaten by the Koreans. Number 5. She. The message you want me to know.
A has delivered. B delivered.
The correct answer is letter A has delivered. She has delivered the message you want me to know. Number 6. Let your assignment.
A. Be complete. B. Be completed.
The correct answer is letter B. Be completed. Let your assignment be completed. Number 7. By whom was this parcel?
A was sent. B sent.
The correct answer is letter B sent. By whom was this parcel sent? Number 8. A sturdy home in Batanes. Still even if the typhoon is strong.
A stayed. B was stayed.
The correct answer is letter A stayed. A sturdy home in Batanes stayed still even if the typhoon is strong. Number 9. The commotion. By the rallyists.
A were made. B was made.
The correct answer is letter A were made. The commotion were made by the rallyists. Number 10. The Starry Night. By Vincent van Gogh.
A was painted. B were painted.
The correct answer is letter A was painted. The Starry Night was painted by Vincent van Gogh. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.education.